Creating a whop community is a straightforward process that can be useful for online businesses looking to keep their community engaged. To start, you'll need to have a whop account, and if you haven't already, you can sign up for one. Once you're logged in, you'll be on the home screen, where you'll see a dashboard option, often represented by a rocket icon. Clicking on this will take you to a page with various promotions. But to create your community, you'll want to click on Create Your WAP. You'll then be asked to name your whop, which is essentially your community, and you can choose a name that reflects your community's purpose. After naming your whop, you may be presented with promotional offers, but you can choose to skip these if you're not interested. Once you've completed the initial setup, you'll be taken to your whop community dashboard, where you can customize your community by adding a logo, headline, and description. You'll also have the option to add a logo and choose a category for your community. Additionally, you'll need to add at least one gallery image to your whop community. After uploading your image, you can crop it to fit your needs. Your whop community will also require you to add at least one app, which can include features like a calendar of events, affiliate links, or a chat function. Once you've added your app, you can start customizing your whop by adding forums, courses, and pricing options. You can change the pricing for your whop and add different pricing options as needed. To share your whop community with others, you can copy the link and share it on your social media channels or other online platforms overall. Creating a whop community is a relatively simple process that can help you build and engage with your online community.